Hello students, hope everyone is staying indoor, taking good care of yourself. Now in this video I would like to clarify the concept of ascending order and descending order. In this video we are doing ascending order and descending order. Now tell me kids, what is ascending order? When the numbers are written in increasing order, smallest value to biggest value, or numbers are arranged from smallest to largest number, those numbers are said to be an increasing order. And what is descending order? Descending order when the numbers are written in decreasing form, biggest value to smallest value, or numbers are arranged from biggest to smallest number, those numbers are said to be descending order. Ascending order is also known as increasing order and descending order is also known as decreasing order.
This boy has to climb 10 steps which are numbered 1 to 10. He starts from step number 1, then he climbs to step number 2, then step number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and finally to step number 10. Did you observe as he climbs up each step, he is ascending or moving to greater number than the previous number. Thus, we say that when the numbers arranged from the smallest to greatest, they are in the increasing or ascending order. Now he is on step number 10 and has to come down to step number 1. He comes down to step number 9, which brings him to lower level. Then previous step number 10. Then he step to number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and finally to step number 1. Now as he comes down each step, he is descending or moving towards smaller number than the previous number. Now we can say that the number are arranged from greatest to smallest. They are the descending or decreasing number.
Now look at the page number 42 and read the question. Write the given numbers in ascending order. That means we have to arrange number from smallest to greatest. Look at these numbers: 1, 6, 16, 1, 9, 19, 5 and 9. We compared number in last class. So you know that first we have to compare first digit number. So look at the single digit number 5 and 9. So 5 is the smaller than 9. So the smallest number is 5. So we write 5 here. Let's cut this number because we have written this number. Now only one single digit number is left amongst 3. So 9 is the second smaller digit number. Now let's compare these two numbers, 16 and 19. Look at the ones place, 6 and 9. So we know that 6 is smaller than 9. So the whole number 16 is smaller than 1, 9, 19. Let's write this number 1, 6, 16. Let's cut this number because we have written here 16 and the last number is 19.
Yes, we have arranged the numbers in ascending order: 5, 9, 1, 6, 16 and last is 1, 9, 19.
Look at this question. Read the numbers 8,
2, 5 and 6. Which one is the smallest number? 1, 2. Let's write 2 here and cut this number. We write 2 because 2 is the smallest number amongst all. So now which one is the greater than number 2? 3 is not here. 4 is not here. The second number we write here is 5 because 5 is greater than 2. Let's cut this number 5. Now two numbers are left, 6 and 8. So which one is smaller, 8 or 6? Yes, we write here 6 because 6 is smaller than 8. Now cut this number 6. Now only one number is left, that is 8. So we are writing last number 8. So we have arranged numbers 2, 5, 6, 8, smallest to biggest. Now let's arrange these numbers in descending order. Now which one is the biggest number? Now look at the number 4, single digit number, 1, 3, 13, two digit number, 1, 2, 12, two digit number and 1, 9, 19. Now single number is always smaller than two digit number. So now look at the ones place, 3, 2 and 9. So which one is the greatest number? 3, 2 or 9? Yes, 9 is the greatest number. So first we write 1, 9, 19. Let's cut this number first. Now which one is smaller than 19? 13 or 12? Yes, 13 is smaller than 19 and bigger than number 12. So we are writing here 13 because 13 is bigger than 12. Let's cut this number. Now which one is bigger, 4 or 12? Yes, 12 is the bigger than 4. Let's write 12. And which one is the smaller number? Yes, 4 is the smallest number. So we write 4 here. So we have arranged numbers in descending order. 1, 9, 19, 1, 3, 13, 1, 2, 12 and last number is 4.